Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to create subdomain in Porkbun 2025. Step number 1, login. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate your domain and click the details button to the right. In the domain details area that appears, click the edit icon next to the DNS records. If you won't be using Porkbun's own web hosting or URL forwarding tools, you may wish to delete the default DNS records that point to pixie.porkbun.com by selecting the trash can icon. Select the record type you would like to add from the type drop-down, then enter the host name, aka the subdomain, and answer or value for the record. Click the Add button to add the record to DNS. And that's it. Once you've created the record, your subdomain is automatically created in the DNS for your domain, and the subdomain should start resolving within 24 hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching.